I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted chats on Snapchat Web, don't worry, there are ways to recover them. Follow these steps to get back your lost conversations. Step 1. Open Snapchat Web. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Navigate to chat settings. Once logged in, go to the chat section. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear symbol, to access chat settings. Step 3. Check archive chats. In the chat settings, look for an option that says archive chats. Sometimes, deleted chats may be moved here instead of being permanently erased. Step 4. Use data recovery tools. If you can't find your chats in the archive section, consider using third-party data recovery tools. These tools can scan your browser cache for deleted data. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If all else fails, reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. They may be able to help you recover your deleted chats or provide additional options. Remember, recovering deleted chats isn't always guaranteed, so it's best to act quickly. Good luck, and I hope you find your chats.